Hello and welcome to 1635 Bush. Today we're going to be touring a lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with parking. You have your call box to the right, and as you enter the building through secured gates, the mailboxes for the building is located here to the right. This building also comes with shared laundry and a wonderful garden that is shared with all the occupants in this building. Unit number 9 is located straight ahead here, and you do have a private patio overlooking the garden. Okay, so let's enter the unit. Nice light-filled unit now. This unit is located towards the back of the building, so it is very quiet. Here is a beautiful kitchen that's been recently remodeled. You have a gas range, microwave, double sink, dishwasher, and stainless refrigerator. This unit can be delivered furnished or unfurnished. From the kitchen, you have direct access to this amazing patio. And it's centrally located, so walking distance to many wonderful restaurants, shops, and conveniences. You have a lot of closet space. So here is the coat closet, and there's more storage on the other side. You have a living room, dining room combination. You also have a gas fireplace that is functional, gas heating with heater vents in each of the rooms. And this living room faces a little alley called Fern Street, which is very quiet. You do have lots of natural light here. And we'll take a peek out here. So this is the alleyway. Okay, so the bedrooms are located on the far side here. They're separated by a full bath. This is the master bedroom. It is very spacious, wall full of windows. You have nice blinds, and this is the view out the window here. Both bedrooms have very large closets. This one has sliding mirrored doors that go all the way back, and these are custom closets with lots of built-ins. This is an ensuite bathroom here with tub and shower combination, beautiful sink, mirror, and there's your toilet. This shower also has a good sized shower head as well. Okay, so just outside the second bedroom is the full bathroom. This is a second full bath, also with tub and shower combination. Okay, so just outside this bathroom, you have your linen closet. And here is a second bedroom. Now this is currently storage, but it will be cleared out. You can see that it is pretty similar in size as the first bedroom, and a nice big closet as well. Okay, and if you are interested in this fabulous space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.